Kola and number 269, Czech pastry shell. A dessert from Czech Republic. You will need 7
Serve
ingredients.
4.
Step 1. Dissolve yeast, sugar, salt in warm milk. Step 2. Add beaten egg and shortening. Mix well, add flour, and stir thoroughly. Step 3. Let rise and form into small balls. Step 4. Place on greased pan, brush with grease, and let rise. Step 5. Make depressions for filling. Step 6. Fill and let rise until light. Step 7. Bake at 400 degrees for 12 minutes. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.